Hey, Darrell, Willie Insurance. This is Darrell. Listen, I'm talking to you guys about how to potentially lower your car insurance. Okay. Greg Rasa from Autoblog put out a nice piece. I want to go over a couple of his points with you, and I hope they add value to you. Okay. So one of the things, the first thing I want to say is get an independent insurance agent if you can. Why? Because an independent insurance agent represents a buffet, a list of insurance companies where they can shop. I mean, as many as 100, 120, 90. They can shop a list of accredited, high credit rating insurance companies to provide you that insurance coverage that you need. Understand, you see the big commercials, you see the stars on the commercials, but listen, that is not the universe of insurance companies. There are a lot of insurance companies that you do not see their commercials, but they are A-rated insurance companies. Okay, so remember that. Get an independent insurance agent if you can. Me, I kind of like to stick with who I'm with because I like things to kind of be simple. And especially if I'm getting great customer service, I'll roll with it. Number two, switch your insurance company. Now, like I just said, I like to stay consistent with all of my banking and all of my financials in the same thing, okay? But there are times where making a switch can be financially profitable to you. Not to mention, you may get better customer service, all right? So think about that. All right, let's get to, and here's a big one, increasing your deductible. If you're willing to increase your deductible, if you have an incident, you have the potential to bring down your monthly premium 20 to 25%. Think about it, guys. If you increase that deductible and not try to have that smallest deductible in case something happens, okay? I get it. I'm that guy. I want to pay the lowest amount of money for the biggest amount of return. But if you can sacrifice and increase that deductible, guess what? We may be able to lower your rates 20 to 25%. Now think about it. If you're a safe driver, you may not even have to test that because you may never have to bring up a deductible. Also, put money to the side. If you have a little account just for savings for these deductibles, then you never have to worry about if something happens because the money's sitting there to cover it, right? So we're going to be proactive with this thing, right? So increasing the deductible has a chance to lower those premiums. Very important. How about this? This made me laugh because I'm an older dude now and I couldn't even see myself doing this, but I probably should. Take a driver refresher course. If you're like me, I remember when I learned to drive day one, it was crazy. My driving class was crazy. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Glad I made it out. Glad I'm a great driver, do all the good stuff, but that class was comical, okay? Take a driver refresher course, and there's a chance that in some states you can get your rates cut by 10% just by taking that course, okay? Here's a big one. I know you guys heard this one. Bundling your home and auto. You hear that? And that is the benefit of sticking with one company for your services, is that you're able to bundle with that company. Bundling your home and auto could potentially save you approximately around $300. Now, none of these numbers are written in stone. Every number is subject to change. We're talking big picture thinking here, okay? Just to get the wheels turning, all right? We're talking big picture thinking. But if there's a chance for you to reduce your monthly payout by bundling, pick the phone up. Hello? Yes, this is Joe Snuffy. I need help. Let's bundle. Let's drop these bills I have to pay every month. Bundle. Okay. Paying, and this is the last one I'm going to say, but I really think you should think about it. And this goes back to setting money to the side in case something happens. Pay out of pocket for minor dings, dents, and minor stuff that happens. When your car goes through something where you can legitimately file a claim, yes, that's why insurance is there. Yes, they're there to provide a service to you if something happens. But guys, think about it. The more you're calling their phone, telling them you got a ding here, you got a ding there, you got a ding here. Couple things you're looking at. One, them dropping you potentially. Two, them definitely raising your premiums. Why? You're high maintenance. I'm going to keep it real to you. Insurance companies don't want high maintenance relationships with customers. That is not the game. They're there to provide a service. They will provide the service, but they do not want a high maintenance relationship with any customer. Okay. So when it's something minor and you just have that little stash of cash I talked about, dip into that stash, fix the little minor thing, move out, save yourself. Okay. If you have to use the insurance, I fully impress upon you, use the insurance. But if it's something really that's small that you can take care of, cowboy up, take care of it. Keep it moving. All right. Because we want to protect how much we have to pay out. Okay. Every month and things. Some things we can really manage if we really focus and pay attention to the things that we're doing that affect the money. It's not just inflation. It's not just the politicians. Sometimes it's us. We have the chance to either mess our money up or hook our money up. So let's stay positive. Let's keep our heads thinking about what we're doing. Let's play the right game and let's enjoy driving those cars. See you guys in the next one. Darrell, Willie Insurance. Appreciate you being here.